In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export your portfolio from CoinGecko. By the end, you'll have a clean CSV file you can open in a spreadsheet, share with your accountant, or archive for your records. First, open your Chrome browser and head to the Chrome extension store. In the search bar, look for an extension called CoinGecko CSV Portfolio Exporter. This tool is designed specifically to take the data from your CoinGecko portfolio and format it into a CSV file. When you find it, click to install. Chrome may ask for confirmation. Approve it so the extension can run when you need it. After installation, the extensions icon should appear at the top of your browser alongside your other extensions. Next, go to the CoinGecko website. From the home page, navigate to the portfolio section. If you track multiple portfolios, make sure you're viewing the one you want to export. This is important because the exporter will capture exactly what's on the screen, so double check you're in the right place before moving on. With your chosen portfolio open, look to the top of your browser and click the CoinGecko CSV Portfolio Exporter extension icon. This opens the Exporters panel. Here, you'll see a field where you can type in a file name. Use a clear, memorable name, something like CoinGecko Portfolio plus a date, so you can easily find it later and keep versions organized over time. You'll also see an option to select columns to export. This is where you can customize your CSV to include just what you need. For example, you might include the asset name, symbol, quantity, current price, total value, and allocation percentage. If you're preparing data for taxes or performance tracking, choose the fields that match your workflow. Keeping it concise can make analysis easier, while including more columns can give you a complete snapshot. Take a moment to review these choices so your export matches your goals. Once your file name looks good and your columns are selected, click Export. The extension will process the data from your current portfolio view and generate a CSV. Your browser will download the file to your default downloads folder. If your browser asks where to save it, choose a folder you'll remember. That's it. You've installed the CoinGecko CSV Portfolio Exporter, opened your CoinGecko portfolio, selected the exact portfolio you wanted, launched the exporter, named your file, tailored the columns, and exported your data. If you found this helpful, keep this workflow handy for monthly snapshots or anytime you want a clean record of your holdings.